was talking to the baby. You gonna clean the rocks off the beach? Is that what you're doing? Yay! You want to go home and see Mommy? Huh? No? What do you want to do? You hear those motorcycles? You're making a mess. You're making a mess. Wash it off in the water. Wash it off in the water. Yeah. Is that funny? No, it is. Is it? Grandma does it.
Look at this, baby Mason. A froggy. We catch the froggy. Oh, we catch the froggy. We catch the froggy. We catch the froggy. We catch the froggy.
Show it. Show Mason.
Hey, Mason.
Is it a frog or a tadpole?
I could have kissed the tadpoles. I got the frog. Look it.
Mason, look.
Let me see. Don't catch it. Oh! Let me see it. Let me catch it.
Oh, just a baby. It's just a baby. Get him quick.
Oh!
Give him to Mason. Let Mason see him. Mason, look what Adrian's got.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Okay. Give him to Mason.
Baby Mason, then you can have a turn at the frog.
Get that out of your mouth.
That's not a frog. Look at this.
Oops, it fell out.
Can I have it?
Wait, let's see.
Watch out.
Look, baby. Ah!
Watch out.
You want to see it?
I think it's
Here,
good.
let's just do. Okay, honey, wait. With the frog, you gotta be really gentle because he'll break. Okay, let me see your hand.
The froggy will break.
Careful, gentle, gentle.
Don't squish him.
Look at show baby. Look at baby Mason. Froggy. Oh, honey, let Mama touch it. You get it.
Let Mason hold it again.
Okay, look on Mason.
Watch out. Ashton, you keep getting his head whenever he...
Okay, there we go.
No, let him go. He'll climb up. Oh, he's playing on your leg.
Don't touch him.
Gentle. Oh, good job. Very gentle. Very gentle. There, look at Mason.
Mason, say frog. Frog.
Oh, honey, gentle, gentle, gentle.
You're shaking, Ashton.
Are you cold? You ready to get out?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, the wind's coming. Oh! Hi. Oh no, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Oh, here. I'll catch it. I'll catch it. I'll catch it.
Oh, is he hurt?
No, he's fine. He's probably trying to play dumb. Okay, keep him right there, honey. See what he does.
Well, he's gonna get it out of the water.
No, honey. Yeah, like that. Very gentle.
Let Mason see him. Don't squish him.
Don't touch.
Here, Grandma, come take a picture of Ashton with his frog.
Before he shakes it right out of his hand. Was that fun? You like that frog? They're right there.
Oh.
You like that frog? Are you ready to go? Yeah, we gotta go home and see Mommy. Wanna go home and see Mommy and Daddy? Wanna go home and see Livy?